today we're going to finish up our mousse demos, and we're going to finish off making strawberry mousse. It's one of my favorites. It's so light, and if you love strawberries, you're going to love this one. First thing we're going to do, same as you've done now 5 times, heavy whipping cream goes in here, and the trickier, not trickier, but different part of this recipe is the powdered sugar is going to go in it as well. Okay, so I'm going to lift this up. You are measuring 3 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of powdered sugar. I am not, I'm doing a smaller batch. And then low speed, while this is working or while your partner is focusing on this, we're going to switch over and make Jell-O. But make sure that you don't over stir, okay? So you kind of have to multitask on this unless one partner does this and you do this. So you're going to buy, or your teacher's going to buy a 3-ounce packet of strawberry Jell-O. Looks like this. Okay, I only did a part. You're going to use the whole box. And you're going to boil or microwave water until steaming or until boiling. So I took this right off. I don't know if you can still see, yeah, you can still see the steam rising. It was bubbling, so I know that it's boiling. And you're going to, for me, I just did 2 tablespoons, but for you, you're going to do half a cup. So this is going to be in a large liquid measuring cup in a glass bowl, so you can actually microwave it, and this entire packet. Okay, so I'm keeping an eye on this, and I'm going to show you. You're just going to incorporate this. You don't want it to turn into jelly, so I'm literally going to constantly stir this so it doesn't thicken on me, okay? This is all I want. You just want to incorporate the powder into your water. If it's too hot, add an ice cube to it, because what we learned from all the other labs is that if you put something hot into our heavy whipping cream, it's going to deflate. Okay, so I'm going to kind of show you. I like to, and I ask that you also clean off the edges. Okay, it's all going in one spot, so I'm using just the same rubber spatula. And I'm going to crank up my heat, or my speed, not my heat, and create those stiff peaks. Okay, which this is going to take about 30 seconds. So powdered sugar, heavy whipping cream, my Jell-O is done. Constantly stir this so it doesn't turn into Jell-O. We just want that flavoring of strawberry, and it's also going to thicken overnight. Okay, so keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on this. I'm going to just stir it. Again, if it's too hot, add a tablespoon. Not a tablespoon. Add an ice cube of water so it's not sticky. Okay, we're almost there. I'm going to crank up my speed even more. Alright, so mix this up. And now I'm going to gently incorporate my strawberry Jell-O. Okay, just fold it in. And then what I ended up doing is I cut up some fresh strawberries, wash them first, cut up or dice. We've done both, just as a topping. Okay, just like that. I'm actually going to turn the KitchenAid on one more time to really get those stiff peaks. And then this has to sit overnight. Jell-O will kind of solidify into the mousse mixture. It's going to taste so good. It's light, airy. Alright, yum. So when you're finished, add this to either a piping bag or a Ziploc bag, store overnight, and then as part of your mise en place, garnish or prep your strawberries. So I sliced, you can dice, slice, however you want your mousse trifles to look. But this is what it looks like. Alright, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back with the last one, which is our strawberry mousse. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can layer this, okay? The first way, as I reminded you earlier, you're going to slice strawberries, fresh strawberries. So what I did is I put all my slices on this side, just a way to decorate. Oop. Be careful when you cut the bag. Make sure you hold it upright. Don't do what I just did. Okay? just like that. So that's one way. And then you get the layers of the strawberry. And then the other way is just your traditional. You could even put the strawberry on the bottom as a little base, just like that. This is so delicate that you don't even need any chocolate or anything like that. Just like that. And then I diced up some fresh strawberries. I'm going to garnish some fresh strawberries. And then grab my spoon. My other spoon. So these are your two options, but feel free to get creative and do whatever you think is best. And so this kind of summarizes our mousse lab. If you see, we have all the ones we made. This lab is just perfect because it allows you to get creative. It allows you to really work with all the techniques that we've taught you throughout the 6 labs. So enjoy.